Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to merge two Excel sheets based on matching columns. This technique is very helpful, effective, and accurate. Now, let's see how to merge two Excel sheets. In this file, we will merge sheet 1 and 2 based on the matching barcode column. So, follow the steps. Let's create a new blank Excel file. Once the file is created, click on the Data menu. Then click on Get Data, and select a Microsoft Excel workbook. From Explorer, locate the file and import it. From the navigator, select multiple items and select sheets 1 and 2, then click on Transform Data. Now the sheet 1 and sheet 2 are loaded into Excel Power Query Editor. For an error-free and accurate match, convert the barcode column of both sheets into text. After the conversion, go to the Merge Query menu and select Merge Query as New. In the first drop-down, select Sheet 1, and in the second drop-down, select Sheet 2. Then select matching columns from both tables. From the Join Kind drop-down menu, select Inner Only Matching Rows, and press OK. 242 matching columns from both sheets have been selected. From the last column, select Expand. I am just selecting the SKU and barcode columns in my final results. You can choose as you wish. Finally, click Load and Close. The final matched results from both sheets will be loaded into your sheet. For checking the match of barcode, I am hiding some of the columns. As you can see, the barcode columns of both sheets are exactly matched. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.